Paladin's 19 popular factory pack colors are offered in a 2K acrylic polyurethane technology. Excellent durability and protection are combined with exceptional gloss and appearance. Custom colors are available on demand. The factory pack colors are highly durable, both from an abrasion and corrosion standpoint. They offer outstanding UV protection, feature direct-to-metal application, offer exceptional gloss and appearance, are easy to use, and feature medium and slow activators. Common applications include commercial transportation, aviation, and above the waterline marine, and also general industrial. They have a mix ratio of 3:1 by volume, pot life of 2 hours at 77 degrees Fahrenheit, a flash off time of 5 minutes between coats, and air dry time of 4 hours at the same 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you for watching.